Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get Grok API key, so let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device and go to Google. In the search bar, type console.x.ai and hit enter. From the results, click on the official xAI Cloud Console website. Before moving forward, make sure the site is legitimate and secure by checking the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, sign into your account. If you have multiple workspaces, you may be asked to choose one, so simply select the correct workspace where you want to create the API key. After entering the dashboard, look toward the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find different options related to your account and projects. Now locate and click on the API Keys section. This is where you can manage all your keys and create new ones. Inside this section, click on the Create API Key button to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter a name for your key. Make sure to use a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple keys. Avoid adding any sensitive or personal information in the name. If there are additional settings or permissions shown, configure them according to your specific requirements. Once everything looks good, click on Create API Key to generate it. After the key is created, make sure to copy it immediately because in many cases you won't be able to see it again later. Store it safely in a password manager or as an environment variable. It's very important not to share your API key publicly or include it directly in your source code, as this can lead to unauthorized access and potential misuse. By following these steps, you can easily generate and manage your Grok API key without any confusion. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.